All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY. When it comes to USDJPY, we see the fact that price has officially broken structure. This is a real broken structure. No fake outs or anything like that. This is broken, right? Definitely broken. So. Let's go to the higher time frame so we can really see what I'm talking about. So we see point A, point B, point C, and there was no point D. Price went ahead and actually broke its structure. We see that price is now looking to be able to pass the last lower low based upon the daily time frame. And not to pass lower low because essentially this was the last low, and this was the last low. Now it's making a new low past this low is what I'm talking about essentially, right? And this is doing exactly what we called point A, point B. Here, let's go ahead and make a new one, see where this is going. So point A, point B, and this is already past maybe 27%, which is beautiful. Sheesh, bro. All right, bomb. So yeah, price has already passed the negative 27%, and this is exactly where I called my my take profit. So my take profit hit the 108.1 area. Hopefully you guys follow what we said. We literally called this back here. We called this back in May 10th. Point A, point B, point C. Hopefully you guys caught this entire move. It was a beautiful move. Literally, it was just a straight shot. I had a little pullback for 200 pips. I didn't catch the entire 200 pips, but I caught a good amount of it. Hopefully you guys did as well. All right, so what's next? What is next? Well, mine hit the take profit, so mine literally cleared out everything, which is kind of because I would like to have stayed in this a little longer, possibly even getting to 107 flat, another 100 pips, you know. I think that'd be pretty interesting. So let's go to the H4 time frame, see how things are moving. And it looks like this thing is just going there. All right. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see is there anything that's showing. Possibly counting this point A, point B, point C, and then seeing if there's a point D here. Possibly going to that 105 area. So let's call this entire area the level of resistance. And it's not clear to be that 105 area, but at least this 106 area seems pretty clear. When it comes to this weekly time frame, we'll probably just go straight to there. I'm pretty sure we're going to really move quickly to the downside, because here's the thing: we've had this level of this rising level of support, and price is shooting under it now. You know, this level of resistance is really strong, and price is really saying, hey, listen, we do not believe, you know, the market's saying we do not believe that the USD is that strong to be able to break through this level of resistance, which is cool. So let's see, you know, what's next. Where is this thing going? Because literally there's nothing else after that. It's literally like a cliff that this is falling from. So it may be smart to just stay in the sell and just let this thing go, you know, just let this thing fall, which is really interesting. Literally, like, this is probably a big deal, because like, look at this, man. Like, there's a possibility that we could be able to have this thing fall to like levels like this, legit. And it would be some crazy stuff if I'm calling this now. I could be completely wrong. I could be like completely wrong, but you know, this was 100% retracement. I don't even know if I want to go ahead and count this that early. Let's see if we can really do something like this. You know, the 70 area, 70.6 on the lower time frame, and boom, 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 possibly going to this 99 area, possibly even 61.8. If anything, I'm just going to go ahead and just do this real quick to see. And I think this would be really interesting. Let's see if there's anything that calls some level of support or something like that. Not really. Maybe here. This looks pretty interesting over here at this 102 area. This 102 area looks pretty interesting for some reason. So you see how because it broke through this area right here, that I have to go to a higher time frame to see where this may lie. So I'm just going to hold. Just gonna hold this area, and just let this thing fall. See where it may go. Tell you the truth. Just let this thing fall. So I'm really excited to be able to see how this is gonna go. This is going to be really, really interesting. I'm so excited to be able to experience this. So hopefully you caught everything that I just mentioned. If not, I definitely understand why. This is some. It can be kind of advanced, especially if you're brand new. And I understand. I don't make calls, Williams. I just share. I just look at the market and just talk. And whatever it is that you guys, catch from it, you guys catch. I don't do signals. The reason why is because I'm looking to form a team in the future, a team of highly advanced, skilled traders. And with that being the case, if I have to tell them what trades to make, then it doesn't matter about the team. I might as well doing it by myself. So I'm looking to be able to train people, and whoever becomes, whatever happens, whoever rises will show their face. And that's just how it's going to go from there. I don't even know what the heck I just said. But either way, if you like anything that I just said, if you like the way that we trade, if you want to be part of our team that we're forming, I would highly suggest go to fxpronow.com. Check out our free 1-hour Forex training. In there, you're going to be able to see who I am, a little bit about our actual the way that we trade, and then also the vision of where we're going with our company. And if you would like to be able to go ahead and actually really see how we trade, you can be able to check out our course. We actually have I think it's about like 15-hour course now, and there's a lot of good content in there, and a lot of people are winning from it. So if you have any questions, you'll be able to contact me on fxpronow.com as well. Once you sign up for our webinar, you're going to receive an email that you're going to get our free group chat, our Facebook, and also our YouTube channel, where every single Monday and Wednesday, only Monday and Wednesday, we go out into the market to see if there's anything available. If there is, great. If not, at least you're going to learn something, all right? So, greatly appreciate your time, guys. Peace.